We had a very intriguing night last night, a night of intriguing stories, laughter, and fun. On the Collective Liberation Tour, we knew that we would come across some amazing stories and some amazing people and places. A couple highlights, for me, were Papa's story about, putting his feet in cow dung as a child. I think, in a way it sounds silly and it's funny, but in a way it's quite practical for a young Lesotho boy of the Mountain Kingdom to be walking in freezing temperatures, barefoot, with his staff and his friends, herding sheep and herding cows. They were on the farm, and they knew what to do. But at the end of the day, it was fascinating to hear the story about the cave people. We're eating people, and Papa swears by it. And when you listen to his conviction, you know that it's definitely for real. But it's his story. Nonetheless, it's his story. We want to take in the mountain fresh air, talk about the natural aspects of Lesotho. We'll speak to some spiritual herbalists. We spoke a little bit to Mama last night. We want to find some others that are talking about this aspect of muti, the good properties and the bad properties, and how people use it in Africa. I'm very, very happy to be here. I'm very excited about the future. Very happy to have Kino on board as our local filmmaker, learning a little bit more about the people of Lesotho, the people of Port Elizabeth, Cape Town, Soweto, the people of South Africa, as we tour the beautiful countrysides and the highways and byways of South Africa.